There are dreams and there are visions. Two very powerful tools, but both very different. A dream is when you're thinking about a desired outcome, a certain success or achievement you want to have, and you're hoping for it, and you're wishing for it. But it's still a dream. It's still so abstract. A vision is very different. It's what psychologists call today the power of visualization. Visualization is a cognitive tool where you allow yourself to explore and experience that desired outcome. It's a mental sensory experience where you begin to see and hear and feel and taste and smell that which you're hoping for. It's where you're turning your dreams into an actual living reality within you. It's what athletes use to win games, or people who are ill to heal themselves, or people who want to strike the deal and get rich. Visualization is a very powerful and effective tool. This Shabbat is called Shabbat Chazon, the Shabbat of vision, or Shabbat of visualization. Is the Shabbat before Tisha B'Av, where we commemorate the destruction of our temples of Jewish sovereignty, of world peace. And our prophets tell us that one day this exile will end. One day we will witness a changed world, a world of world peace, universal redemption, where there'll be no more war or violence or hatred or corruption or jealousy, no more hunger, no more illness, no more poverty. A world where we'll have true peace and harmony and happiness and purpose living together. A whole year round, we dream about this. This Shabbat, we are empowered to actually visualize this. And so this Shabbat, spend some time in deep reflection, to explore in your mind, to taste, to feel, to see and to hear, what will this era of redemption look like and feel like? How will I change? What can I do to change myself, to bring about this era speedily in our days? Shabbat Shalom.